Good evening. So in the previous class, we have seen about the mobile services, right? Like what is this mobile hub? What is this app sync? And what is this device farm? How we build real-time applications online, and like how to integrate many applications. Let's take this example. Like if we are using this login or this sign up credentials, what many applications what's actually happening with many applications is they are asking for us to log in or sign up with our Google or Facebook accounts. So here we don't have to, we can just directly add that to our application with the services. And coming to this app sync, uh, you know uh, uh, that we have already discussed about this app sync, right? So it is completely, you know uh, it completely deals with this real-time data syncing for this application. And coming to device farm, in order, like uh, for an application to launch or release a product or release an application, firstly we have to test it, right? So for the testing thing, and so coming to this testing, we have this unit testing and module testing. So there are many types of testing. So based on our application requirement and based on our application compatibility, so we perform this testing activities. So for this testing part, this device farm, this device farm takes care of all this testing thing. So coming to the next one is AR and VR, that is this augmented reality and virtual reality. So in order to support this AR and VR, this AWS, that is Amazon Web Services, is providing us this Amazon Sumerian. So here you can build here you can build your this AR, VR based games or applications and all. So coming to this AR and VR, in today's market, this Unity, game developing company. So only this Unity people are, they are managing to they are easily capable of building, and they are standing in the market with this AR and VR games and also many applications. So this and in the recent days, this AR and VR are also used in the fields of study. Many hospitals or medical colleges are uh, trying to use this AR and VR for better understanding of the subject. So yeah, we can actually build these with the help of this AWS. And for this, you don't have to buy all the requirement and all. You can just just start developing your AR or VR project with the help of this Amazon Sumerian. So coming to this Amazon Sumerian console, here it shows you this is the dashboard. So we have our home, drafts, trash, and the projects. So as of now, I don't have any project, right? I don't have any application which is built on this AR and VR. So there are no projects to show me. So if you want to start a project, then start by clicking on this create new scene. And so you have this templates. This is the MP1, this is the speech and gesture, and this is the AR template, and the default one and the default lighting one. So we just look at one of these. right? It requires some time. So just let it load. So what's the general way of developing this AR or VR projects or these games are? They will they'll set up this whole 3D 360 dimension environment in the development console first, and then they create the scenes. So after creating the scenes, they start. After creating the scenes, they will start, adding some movements and also the the functionalities for the characters or the animes and all. So once after the whole part is done, it depends on and also when it comes to this coding part, there are two types of iterative coding in this game development. The first one is, but all the characters have some similar properties. No? Then they'll use the same code. But if you take any real time application like real time games like this PUBG or there's a mini militia and all. So here, what happens is it depends on the particular it totally depends on the character. So for this, a lot of time is required. It generally takes something like 6 to 7 years to build a game like PUBG. So, so this is our scene here, right? We have selected this for explaining for the gestures thing. Like that, how you just adjust these things. So we can also adjust this the scene the camera settings here and the default lights. So here you have the default fact that is your intro to speech and all sample things. Okay. So you have this editor cam and the 2D editor also, and also the default editor cam here. So that's I'm just showing you a sample how to use this animating or this Sumerian console that is this AR and VR thing, and how to develop these games and all. So firstly, so it's related to the general way or this traditional way of game development, this one. Firstly, we'll be handling the characters and then adding some motions to these characters and all, and then we will code for the whole game. Like when this character moves, all the background has to come. Right? So all the things are taken care next. So yeah, that's what is this Sumerian. That is this AR and VR support from this AWS. So now we'll just move to this application integration. So coming to this application integration, we have five subdivisions. The first one is the step function. So in the step function, it's it is a coordinate distributed application. So we all know the step function, right? So this is the integration will be done in the similar manner of this step function. And the next one is Amazon MQ. So it is a managed message broker service for Apache Active MQ. So it's simply a message brokering service. Coming to this SNS, that is the simple notification service, we have WhatsApp and mobile push or this that is either the notifications or the SMS. And we have the simple queue service. So it is a managed message queues. So if you have to send any particular information to millions of people, then what actually happens is all the receiving and numbers, that is the your customer numbers or the mail IDs, whatever it may be, they'll be queued first. And based on the batches, all the messages and everything will be sent in the batch wise. So in order, in the batch, all this receiving and address will be queued first. And lastly, we have this SWF. So it is simply this workflow service for coordinating this application components. So going to step function. So it will distribute applications using visual workflows. So it makes it easy to coordinate the components of distributed applications as a series of steps in visual workflow. So you can quickly build and run state machines to execute the steps of your application in a reliable and a scalable fashion. So here you can see, so it's just something like a workflow or a flow chart here. So it's a start, fetch and order, region choice, create order. If the order is okay, then process the order. If it's not, if any error occurs, then the database error. And if after region choice, if already existing, if you want to repeat the order, then create order rate. And if it's unserved region, then it won't work, right? So the possibility of happening the order part is on the left, and the possibility of not happening is in the right. So either we can have this database error on the or this unserved region. So in either of the cases, no order is possible. Like the order booking thing is not possible. So these are the only possible these are the only possible outcomes for this thing. So and finally it comes to that. So, yeah. So it defines the steps of your workflow in JSON-based Amazon State language. The visual console automatically grabs each step in order of execution. It start an execution to visualize and verify the steps of your application are operating as intended. The console highlights the real-time status of each step and provides a detailed history of every execution. AWS Step Functions operates and scales the steps of your application, like the second step, and underlying compute for you to help ensure your application executes reliably under increasing demand. So this whole thing deals with the scalable resources. So when if you go with the step function integration, no, you can actually it handles each and every part, like the each and every phase in detail. So it has a built-in error handling and execution event history because it records each and every transaction or every processing. And you have this automatic scaling. So whatever the service may be from AWS, you have this automatic scaling, and you have the high availability of resources because you have the automatic scaling. And for coming to the billing part, you pay as you use, and you have this administrative security. And they also have these use cases. If you want, you can just go with this. So if you want to create any application, you can just start with this create state machine, and then you will be selecting the application details, and then you will be going with the stepwise. So if you want to develop any application or manage any application through the step function management, that is this integration, you can just go with the documentation here, and also you have this API references. So that is with this step function management. And we have your MQ. MQ is a managed message broker service for this Apache Active MQ. So this MQ is a managed service broker for MQ, Active MQ, that makes it easy to set up and operate message brokers on the cloud. So you can migrate your messaging and applications without rewriting code. So if you want to create any message broker, no, you can just start it by just giving your broker name and proceeding to your next step. And you have your pricing and costing for this brokering service here. And coming to these benefits, it gives you this accelerated migration and offload operations and reduce costs. So coming to this accelerated migration, this MQ supports industry standard APIs and protocols. So you can migrate messaging and applications without rewriting the code. So if if we are not going to rewrite this code, no, or calling these functions repeatedly, then automatically it results in this accelerated migration, or the speeding up of the process and all. And coming to this offload operations, this MQ manages the administration and maintenance of MQ brokers and automatically provisions infrastructure for high availability. And we have this reduced costs. So this MQ provides cost efficient and flexible messaging capacity. You pay for broker instance and storage usage as you go. So you can just go with this documentation. Like if you want a clear idea or a clear picture about this MQ, then you can just go through this thing. And what coming to the main benefits of a MQ, the first and the foremost one comes is security. So you control who can create and modify brokers and who can send to messages to and receive messages from active MQ broker. And the next one comes is durability. So to ensure the safety of your messages, this MQ stores them on redundant state storage. And the next main important one is availability. So you can create a single instance broker or an active or standby broker for high availability. For either broker type, MQ automatically provisions infrastructure for high durability. And the next one is enterprise readiness. So it supports industry standard APIs and protocols, so you can migrate from existing message broker without rewriting this application code. And you have this operations offloading. So you can configure many aspects of your active MQ broker, such as predefined destination policies, authorization policies, and plugins, etc., etc. So that is what this MQ is all about. And coming to a simple notification service, as like we have already discussed this in an application, when dealing with this application in the early stages of this tutorial. So it is a fast, flexible, fully managed push message service. So you can, the broadcast notification to any destination. It's global and fast, massive scale. Use any language or platform. So coming to this broadcasting information, this it lets you send notifications to multiple destinations in a single broadcast. So you can just select the receiving and destination address, and then you can just you can just broadcast the message by a simple click. The destinations can be mobile devices that are iOS, Android, Windows, or Firefox based. You can also use this SNS to broadcast messages to destinations that are AWS Lambda, SQS, HTTP, email, or SMS based. So here it don't have to be a physical this device. You can just send notifications or messages to other services too. And coming to global and fast massive scale, with Amazon SNS, you can send billions of notifications across the world. Amazon SNS is available in all regions of AWS and is designed to handle your most stringent latency needs. So, as this Amazon is based on the concept of cloud, it is global and fast at massive scale, and you can use any language or any platform. So you can choose from a variety of programming languages or platforms to send notifications via SNS such as Java, .NET, Node.js, PHP, Python, or Ruby. So that is what this SNS is all about. And next, coming to this simple queue services. So this is reliable, scalable, fully managed messaging queuing service. So it ensures the high availability of resources and scale with your business and also reduce your costs. So coming to ensuring this high availability, it uses a distributed architecture within this Amazon's high availability data centers. So queues will be available whenever the application needs them. So to prevent these messages from being lost, all the messages are stored redundantly across multiple servers and data centers. So, there's a less chance for a minor chance of data loss or data missing thing. And coming to scaling with your business, this SQS enables an unlimited number of services to read and write an unlimited number of messages at any time. So as Amazon SQS is used by some of the most highly scaled applications in the world, such as this Netflix. And coming to reducing your cost, this SQS is it is obviously a fully managed service with no upfront costs or fixed expenses. You pay only for what you see with a small charge for each API request and data transfer. And coming to this simple workflow service, Amazon, it is mainly used for building scalable, resilient applications with Amazon. You can build many kinds of applications and workflows and maintain the execution state of the workflow consistently and reliably. So this is the deciding part, that is you can just take a small algorithm, like if the condition is satisfied, then uh, task A will be task A will happen, or if the condition is not satisfied, then task B will happen, to something like this. So it's just a basic. It is just the workflow of your whole project. So based on the conditions and the iterations, the flow of your project will be decided. So this is the sample one. So coming like seeing a sample workflow. So here, first we have to create a domain, and then registering workflow and active type, deploying code for workflow, orchestration logic and activities, running an execution, and viewing the execution in the AWS management console. Sample work, coming to the sample workflow details, here the workflow implements an image processing application. So in this application, an image is downloaded from our public S3 bucket. A selected transformation is applied to the image, and transformed image is then stored in S3 bucket that you specify. Each time you run the application, each time you run the sample workflow, you can choose one of the two transforms. That is either this grayscale conversion or this API conversion. And coming, so here the start of this workflow execution happens. So the input data, that is this photo, is taken from this public S3 bucket, and the downloading the image is done. And here we generate this API image and also this grayscale image. That is, the two filters are applied at the same time. That is the parallelly for the in, for this input image, and then again it is being uploaded back to this S3. So you can also download the code here related to this sample. So you can just open it and let's go with that. So we have covered till this application integration, and we are only left with five more things: this customer engagement, productivity, desktop and app streaming. So we all know this desktop and app streaming, right? Which should support this screen mirroring or screen sharing part, and you have your IoT services and also your game development services. So yeah, that's it for today's class, and then we'll just look after these in the coming classes.